Hello, superstars. You're welcome to La Priso World Academy. My name is Prince Ikilowe. In this short video, I'm going to analyze V25 for you to learn. All right. So first of all, let me remove all these things. And I'm going to analyze this market with a 4-hour time frame. All right. So let me see daily time frame first. According to the daily time frame, this market is a downtrend. But let's just keep the market. Let me map out this level. All right, we expect that the market will come to this level before it will start rejecting. All right, we expect the market to get to this level before rejections will happen. So let me also draw this trend line. Now, why am I drawing this trend line? This trend line is to watch out for breakout, because sometimes the market may not even get to that level you're talking about, because of course other people, so many persons are actually eyeing the market, expecting the market to have some reaction from here to either turn to the upside, or even if it has to break, but once the market gets to this level, there must be a reaction. So maybe why we are drawing this trend line is to wait for a possible breakout before even getting to this point. So now, if the market breaks out of this trend line, all right, and retest. What do I mean by breakout? I mean, let me just point out what breakout is all about. And it also breakout with 4 hours time frame, because this market is, the sellers are very, very strong. So we expect the market to break out like this, all right, and then it will come down, break out and retest. If we see something like this happening in the market, if we break out and retest like this, that shows that the market is going to be returning from here to the upside. So we expect the market to break out. Let it not just be a minor breaker, but let it break out very well, like taking all these highs. That is a good breakout. If you break out and retest, then it's a valid buy. If you retest here, what you do is, it's not as if you buy just like that. No, remember that when the market breaks out, let me reduce this a little bit. When the market breaks out, there's going to be, when the market is coming back for retest, there's going to be a trend as well. So when the market starts trending down to retest on this particular trend line, even if it gets to the break, if it gets to this place and gives you maybe bullish formation candles with lower time frame confirmation, maybe like 5 minutes or 15 minutes or even 1 minute, you need to also draw another trend line, because this time around is going to be a downtrend, another downtrend trend line. Then it has to break out of that second trend line. I call it counter trend line. It has to break out of that second trend line and retest. That is lower time frame confirmation. All right, but for now, let's expect the market to break out to retest. Otherwise, let it get to this zone, this key level. If you get to this key level, I did a video yesterday and I was talking about how you can use double bottom to confirm an entry or market to break out of this key level, and you now switch to lower time frame like 5 minutes to look for breakout and retest again, so that you can buy from the down. Because most time market will break out of this level, this key level, take your stop losses, push down before going to the upside. So let's watch out for this market to break out and retest. If it doesn't break out and retest, that means we expect the reaction to happen from here. But once you get to this point, also use this particular 4 hours time frame, this particular 4 hours time frame trend line as your guide to look out for breakout and retest. Even if you get to the level, let it break out and retest, or let it give you double bottom on maybe 15 minutes time frame to an entry, or let it come down. It will break this place. Sometimes it will give you wick. It's called wick. Once it break out on this level and you're seeing some kind of rejection candle, says you enter for a buy. All right, I hope this video helps you. If you have not joined the La Priso World Academy, I wonder what you're waiting for. We have seen students who knew nothing, absolutely nothing about forex, but today they are making money trading forex with our academy. So join the academy, use the link on the bio and create your own Deriv account and start trading forex and volatility indices. I will see you next time.